Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show the disposal section within the EMR form. The disposal section is essential for documenting the patient's outcome after their time in the emergency room. It records the patient's final status and the actions taken for their continued care. This section specifies whether the patient was admitted to the hospital, discharged, transferred to another facility, or if they passed away. Based on the specific outcome, there are detailed subsections within the disposal section that must be completed to provide comprehensive information. In this video, we will start on an EMR form. For a comprehensive explanation of the features and sections covered in this video, please refer to the user manuals linked in this video's description. First, click on the disposal panel to expand. We will now take a look at the various sections displayed within this panel. Discharged will indicate whether the patient was released from the emergency room department. Please note that the time will automatically populate in the current date and time that the form was generated. Click on the discharge date and time field to make any changes if applicable. Disposal type indicates the way in which a patient was discharged from the emergency room department. Admit is utilized when the patient requires hospitalization after receiving treatment in the emergency department. An attention pop-up will appear to advise you as a reminder that you need to screen and cancel the patient regarding deep vein thrombosis prophylaxis, which can be done by prescribing DVT stockings. Click on the OK button, which will open the Admit section. As a reminder that for more details about the features and disposal types covered in this video, please refer to the user manuals linked in this video's description. Next, discharge means the patient was stabilized in the emergency department and is able to go home. Transfer is used when the patient needs to be moved to another facility that is better equipped to meet their recovery needs. Deceased is utilized when the patient has passed away. RHT, or refusal of health treatment, is used when the patient chooses not to receive the medical care recommended by the emergency room. Absconded refers to a situation where a patient who is receiving care in the emergency room or hospital is missing from the treatment unit and their whereabouts are unknown. Patient handover is the process at the start of the new shift where the on-call practitioner and care team documents essential information. This ensures that all relevant details about the patient's current condition, treatment plan, and any critical updates are clearly communicated to the incoming medical team. Tick the patient handover checkbox to indicate that the patient was transferred to the new shift. Additional notes is used to record any extra information about the patient and the disposal process within the emergency room.